Hey everyone, Technomentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a widget on your iPhone on the home screen and the lock screen as well. So let's get started. So in order to delete a widget, it's going to be similar to how you delete any app. So all you'll do is press on any of the apps or widget and press and hold on to it. So let's go ahead and let's say you want to delete something. You press and hold on that widget for about a few seconds till this pops up, and you can click on remove widget and then click on remove, and that will delete that widget from your home screen just like that. Again, to demo, you just choose the widget that you want to remove, press and hold for about a second or two till this menu pops up, and you can click on remove widget and then click on remove, and it will be gone. Now if you have a widget on this screen as well, same exact thing. You can click on edit here to click on and remove them, or you can also just press and hold just like that and click on remove widget, and that will remove the widget from there as well. Now if you have a widget on the lock screen, let's say that's like this, where you have these widgets, these are also known as widgets. If you want to delete them, we can go into our settings, and from there on go to wallpaper and then click on that customize option, and from there on we can see if we have a widget here. As you can see here, there's no widget, but if there were a widget, right, it will be available right there, and you just click on that icon, the minus icon, and then it will remove those widgets as well or delete them. And then you can hit done, and you will no longer have any widgets. So let's lock the screen, and we see there's no widgets here. So that's how you delete widgets on the lock screen and the home screen on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.